Today is a culmination of what the city has been doing over this week, remembering those who were lost in the Coventry Blitz, which is 85 years ago. We've had people creating a statue of the former Cathedral of St Michael's, which was destroyed in the Coventry Blitz. Over the last week, volunteers from all different backgrounds, different ages, different community groups, schools have come together to help the artist Olivier Grossetête create this for us.
My name is Olivier Grossetête. I'm a French artist. I started the project 25 years ago. Each construction represents the architecture, depend the city of the country. For Coventry, this construction is inspired to the Cathedral.
I'm Deborah Peretz from outside of Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. This is a lot of fun. You get to meet new people, you get to work with the kids, and the whole thing about bringing everybody together just to do this kind of thing.
My name's Josh, and I came here today to help out with this project. I just thought it was a bit of a mad, random project to get involved in. I don't know if it's the first time in the UK. I've seen videos of it, and they did it in France, in Germany, all different places in Europe. And I think, yeah, it's just a brilliant, once-in-a-lifetime thing to join in and do.
My name is Liz, I'm one of the animators, so I'm a freelancer who's come in to support the project. It's so wonderful to be involved in a project like this, especially because obviously the Blitz is so huge to Coventry, and to see so many people from the community come in and be really passionate, not just about what we're doing, but about the community. There's so many lovely conversations happening, and to see so many intergenerational people come in and just put everything into it is just really, really nice.